First team foul on White. Trophy goes to the given of Aligada number 7 for the Black. Their time at 17 all third quarter. This is your similar review by that picture. This is the first free throw. Second free throw. One out of the Black. Tied your free throw for Aligada. Arowana will score a lead. By number 18. Labang ulit. By number 18. Position on White. At the baseline, what a pass! Yes, basket on one. Basket down, foul number 3. Official timeout, official timeout. Samran, official timeout. Bonus free throw. Nabigyan ng Black, recognize the ball game, lead by number 12.
Got the rebound. Get out!
3 minutes completed, they're tied at 21 out. Baseline right, yes. Offensive rebound number 12. Agawa sa football. Pinigay kay number 9. Sure. Rebound, Yak Aria. Yak, number 13, corner, no. Instead, sa baseline. Red line violation. Sana. Ang anak papasok ulit. Position na number 9 for the White, 5 minutes and 30. Number 12. Foul on two good offensive to set up on Andre Junior. Foul number 9. He, number 9 is first personal foul number 9. Shooting foul for the White. Pasok ang unang free throw. Kahit dito free throw naman ang Black na free throw line. May number 12. Second free throw, 2 seconds to the line, walang mintis for number 12.
Okay, come on!
23, 21. At ang Errol, recognize the ball game, no! Naibago naman ang bigay kay Aligado, number 7. At ang Errol, quarter pass to the corner, sure! Agawan sa two score fouls inside by Anganan. Yes, sir. We are tied at 23 all. There is a little foul on number 9, hit 2 wheelers. Number 9 is second personal foul, 3 fouls. Time leader free throws. This is first. Namali, the first line by Algado. 24-23.
Ayaw puta! Ayaw puta!
There is a little foul holding foul number around. Foul number 27. Number 27 is second personal foul. First foul on block. Shot clock 15. Indication block. Number 3, teardrops, no. At the corner. Bigay kay number 3. Shot 7. 5-0. Number 18 missed the jumper. Press 14. Bigay kay number 18. Shot clock 11. Shot clock 9. 3 seconds violation. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Third quarter. Position on Aligado. Aligado, no! Agawan sa football. Tinapos by Aligado Puta. Yes, sir! 26-23. For the block made by number 7 on Aligado. Advance. Under 2 minutes to play in this third. Number 32. Aligado quarter pass to the corner. Ball steps on feet. Number 2, 88-23. Nice layup by the wide. 25-28 by number 09. Woolley. Foul number 12. Number 12 is first personal foul. 2 fouls. Timeout sa Pasarolo Black. Ang tayo muna si Head Coach GC Kaniyala muna Pasarolo Black. Game time. Right score 28 on black, white, 25 position wide. The a minute and 2 remaining. Third quarter, this is your center provided by What Pictures. And also then by interview with South Just Visit. Interview with South for Saturday. Or great pitch party just visit interview with South in the food tank like in Lapu-Lapu City. Okay, this is well, 3 competition top 4 teams in the season. All the categories are 3 competition and typical exams. For the shot clock backward violation. Number 10, side step, one move. Hindi lang nawalo. Rebound on 1. There's a push. Foul number 5. Number 5 is second personal foul, 3 fouls. 8 segundos. 5. That's our third quarter running score. 28 on black, white, 25. Good time. This is your final minute, final quarter. Wooly. Baseline out, baseline down, use the last basket and one. Foul number 10. Foul number 9. Number 9 is third personal foul, first foul. Bonus free throw to begin at number 27. It was completed 31-25. Made by number 27. Number 11. Binigay sa corner. Nilig sa gitna. Shot clock 15. And downtown. No. Agawan sa football. Recovered by Young. Shot clock 9. There is a foul and now foul on number 13. Number 13 is third personal foul, first foul. Number 11 to the corner, he fires short. Agawan sa football, may gaman sa black, may babang number 11. Number 3, Rudy. By number 12, there's a hockey ball coming around. Ball number 3. Number 3 is third personal foul. 2 team fouls for the white. A first team foul. Sub ref. Young RE and Young RE is in the game for the white. Number 10. No. So hard. In the last position for the black number 10. At the downtown number 18, Ilbon. Rebound number 24. Number 24, binigay kay number 10, number 13. Balik kay number 24. For the Cabinet, put back number 13. Lapangan ng pupuntos, double digit lead. Made by number 13. There is a result foul number 11. Number 11 is second personal foul, 2 team fouls. Position on wide. 5 minutes and 50. At the corner, Ivan Smith. Rebound on the block. Binigay sa corner number 10, Tudor. Yes, sir! Wala pang sagot sa mga score ng block on from the wide. Timeout, Ambassador Black. Five minutes and 28 remaining. Running score 37 and 55 to enjoyed by the Black. That's violation in the timeline. 14 shot. Baseline drive, baseline jumper, yes sir. Counter plays ready for the right. Basket and one. Basket count. Foul number 22. Number 22 is first. 3 fouls. For the free throw. For the free throw on. They will go submitted by number 10. Basket down foul number 31. He Bundesliga. Running score 31-42. Bundesliga to be given a number 9. Number 09. Highest scoring number 09 is Volgate. 31-42. Bundesliga, they was completed by number 09. Technical line for the game.
Sabi ka tip ka.
Technical foul number 11 for the game. Number 11 is first. Personal foul. 40 foul.
Ako pa pagawa mo?
Position of Black. There is a whistle foul on number 2. Blocking foul on number 2. Number 2 is first.
Time out.
Last time out sa Black. Last time out for the Black. 2 minutos, 28 segundos. final quarter. Black up by 10, double digit on Black.
Ay, bola!
A double digit. Shot. Robin. Sumobra ang attack ni Robin.
Dos, okay pagsot!
2 minutes, last 18. We are stopwatch in the last 2 minutes in the final quarter. Time is still running. Ayan. Last 2 minutes. Number 13. Yup, RT. Ang kapatid number 09, George. Rebound block. Nakita na si number 9. Masakang pasa. Recovers to the corner. To the corner to the baseline. No. Rebound on one. Nawalang bola. Alba. Minute and 31. Minute and 30. Basilisco. Basket and one. Basket down, foul on number 1. Hitting the head. Bonus free throw. 36-42. Number 1 is first personal foul, 3 fouls for the Black. Falling into the previous review by Cipibel Beats House. Located at Punta Engaño. 3 was completed. 37-42. Baseline jumper, number 9. 44-37. Foul on number 12. Number 12 is second personal foul, 14 fouls. 14 fouls. 14 are entering into the penalty after the foul. American Pride. Number 9, reverse foul. 5 segundos. Number 23, Pedro by number 23. Time out, Ambassador Wine. Game time, timeout ceremony was announced for the Wine, no more timeout allowed. 46 segundos, running 4:46 for the Black, White 37. 9 minutes to with the Black, position of White.
Lagi mo!
40 segundos. At the middle, number 09, boom! Number 09, 3!
Okay, anis dilan, 2-3, 2-3, hey!
30 segundos, 30 segundos. Putting the penalty, foul number 12, number 12 is third penalty. Putting is the penalty. Two red loss to give it another line. In the situation, we made it first. 41-46. Second free throw. No more timeout for the black, white, one timeout remaining. Over to the line. By the 4 segundos. There is a foul number 9. Favors the red, 2 free throws. Good things for the penalty. Number 9 is warning. Good things for the penalty.
Murado. Nah, shot.
Pasok ang unang free throw. Hustle free throws. Pasok pa rin. O, number 9.
Hey! Down. Lapis. Down. Murado.
Late release for the shooter. Early entry. Atlanta short. 30 segundos. Foul number 11, 2 free throws, penalty. Number 11 is second personal foul. 2 free throws, penalty. Make the first free throw, running score 47-42.
Hey, ano kita anis din na nga. Nagtira, berhenti. Nagtira, bagian lagi.
Make the second free throw, 6 segundos. Huli, 5. Laman ang final score, 47 on black, 42 on white.
Ah, nagcita.